We have breaking news tonight. At least one person has died in the historic Panhandle wildfires. The city of Borger, about an hour northeast of Amarillo, confirmed that death.
Yes, it is unclear how the person died. The Texas A&M Forest Service has now raised the threat level from a 2 to a 3. Several wildfires have now scorched thousands of miles of land. Take a look at this. It's drone footage that shows a blackened landscape across small towns and cattle ranches. Also, new images from space show just how vast the impact has been. The Smokehouse Creek Fire has grown to be one of the largest in state history, with flames moving with alarming speed. It is just 3% contained. Our Candace Sweat is on the ground in the town of Canadian tonight, where families are left devastated.
This is all that's left of the Murray family house. Friends have offered places to lay their heads as they begin to figure out what's next.
Their trailer to us to stay in until whenever.
Galissa Murray's grandfather made this swing. It survived the fires. The house that she and her husband Richard made into a home did not.
This is the only pair of pants I've got, and this is the only shirt I've got.
The Murrays are among many families within hundreds of thousands of acres impacted by the Smokehouse Creek Fire.
Everything was just about over, it seemed like, because we were clear here, and the wind changed and it instantly brought flames. It started burning that house, our next door.
Other than the swing, Richard's car repair shed is still relatively intact.
The floor burned, and it's just...
This is what their house was reduced to.
There's nothing that you can get to.
He's still grappling with the new reality.
My wife said something about, we need to get this, and I said, well, there's some in the closet. And it wasn't, you know?
Neighbors are supporting one another.
I'm sorry, man.
I'm sorry for your loss.
As are surrounding cities and counties. A mutual aid agreement brought firefighters from surrounding areas, including DFW. The Fort Worth Fire Department deployed teams early Tuesday.
So we've got 15 of our firefighters that are either in the middle of battling the blaze right now up in the Panhandle at the Smokehouse Creek Fire, or they're in transit right now to go up there and lend a helping hand to our Texas neighbors.
For the Murrays, the 10 acres where they raised their daughters and invested in business, destroyed in just a few hours.
We don't know what to do yet. We really don't. There's no words, really.
The Texas A&M Forest Service told us today they tried to take advantage of better wind conditions to get those containment levels up. Evacuation orders have been lifted. In Canadian, Candace Sweat, NBC5.